intertwined. You hang from the night like shoes from a telephone wire. The feeling of dreaming, reading the higher meaning, walking, talking until the daylight comes knocking. I'm staying out of it. Shimmering shooting stars enter the atmosphere. We creep away to catch the start of day. Heard it looks good round here. Take off our shoes and head down to the blue. Throw lost shells back into the sea. And it's home again to withering, a room where everything's me, me, me. The feeling, dreaming, reading the higher meaning, walking, talking until the daylight comes knocking. I'm staying out of it. Staying out of it. I'm staying out of it. Staying out of it. I'm staying out of it. Staying out of it. I'm staying out of it, staying out of it. The feeling of dreaming, reading the higher meaning, walking, talking until the daylight comes knocking. The feeling, dreaming, and reading the higher meaning, walking, talking until the daylight comes knocking. I'm staying out of it. Thanks. Thank you. I'm Frankenstein Bolts. And this song is called Frankenstein Bolts. Warm is the air that covers you here at the foot of the hill. Water is still. The crew on the hull belly is full with fumes from the mountain. Lost is the boy with the wondering eyes. His mother is at war and she's out of her mind. He likes to hang his coat on her Frankenstein bolts to stop her from shouting. This won't last forever. This won't last a day, and you'll make your mind up. Stay, stay. This won't last forever. This won't last a day. This won't last forever. Far out is she with the criminal eyes. The morning slopes just slightly around her terrible sighs. They're going to need a truck when she finally dies. They're going to need a truck. This won't last forever. This won't last a day. This won't last forever. This won't last forever. This won't last a day. Thank you. Thanks. Appreciate that. This is a new song, so it could go either way. Still working on it, to be honest. There's a few oohs in the middle that I need to change into words, I think. Night on a lonely road, cold damp breath in my bones. Even a blind man could see that it is no night for traveling. Secret I must unload somewhere on this lonely road. Is a clearing that takes you down to a manor hall where the lights are on, and you can't find your way back to the harbor when you're swimming in high mid-frequency, and you're looking out across the bay, waiting on those holidays. They end with me, raking the dead leaves off the lawn again. Well, I broke the heart of a girl down there. She cried all night in a rocking chair. I left a hole in her day and one in her roof. She waited till she couldn't move. seas. And you're looking out across the bay, waiting on your holidays to end with me. Raking the dead, leaves off the lawn again. You can find your way back to the harbor when you're swimming in high mid-frequency. And you're looking out across the bay, you're waiting on your holidays to end with me. Raking the dead, leaves off the lawn again. I have no ending for it yet. Thank you. Thanks a lot.